Welcome back to another quick stitch tutorial by Burnley and Trowbridge. I'm Melissa, and today I will show you the running stitch. This stitch is an excellent basic stitch and the stitch most people learn first when they begin to sew. The running stitch looks like a row of separate stitches on the front and the back side of your fabric. The stitch is not as strong as other stitches, but what it lacks in strength, it makes up for in speed. Due to its speed, there are many great ways to apply the running stitch to your historical sewing. You can use this stitch to temporarily or permanently baste things together in preparation for their final treatments. Some examples of this are pleats on a gown or petticoat, or hems. These characteristics make it ideally suited for gathering. They can also be used in combination with other stitches for side seams on petticoats and other long seams that won't take much strain. I am using a linen thread on linen fabric today and have already prepped my thread by waxing it. To start your running stitch, anchor your thread with a back stitch or knot. Next, insert the needle slightly forward from where you anchored your thread, then travel forward for your first stitch. Pull the thread through to seat the stitch. Remember that you want the stitches to hold the pieces in place but not pucker, unless you're gathering the fabric intentionally. Continue in this manner until you have completed the length of your seam. Once you're comfortable with this stitch, you can work faster by taking a couple of stitches at a time. To do this, take your first bite of the fabric with your needle, then add another stitch or two before pulling the thread through and seating the stitches. Thanks for joining us to learn how to do a running stitch. To keep updated on all that we do, subscribe to our YouTube channel and newsletter, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to tag us in all of your makes with @Burnley and Trowbridge. Happy sewing!